Ready to discover a summer paradise? Welcome to Banff National Park. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park is a dream destination for summer travelers. Imagine hiking through Johnston Canyon, where waterfalls and dramatic canyon views await. Or paddling across the iconic turquoise waters of Lake Louise and Moraine Lake. Pro tip, visit Moraine Lake at sunrise for breathtaking views. For a bird's-eye view, ride the Banff gondola to the top of Sulphur Mountain and explore the panoramic boardwalk. Need to unwind? Soak in the warm, mineral-rich waters of Banff Upper Hot Springs with surrounding peak views. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife like elk, deer and even bears along the Bow Valley Parkway. And don't miss must-see spots like Peyto Lake, Bow Lake and Lake Minnewanka. Hungry? Dive into locally sourced cuisine at the Bison Restaurant or enjoy campfire-inspired dishes at Park Distillery. For a cozy stay, check out the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel or the modern Moose Hotel and Suites. Banff National Park is your ultimate summer adventure. Ready to explore?